Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports, and I am Jermaine Brown. Cricket is where we begin. Although beaten 2-1 by India in their recently concluded T20 series, Jamaica and West Indies all-rounder Rovman Powell says they are ready to take on New Zealand in their three-match T20 series starting on Wednesday at Sabina Park. In addition to losing their three-match T20 series 2-1, the Windies also lost the ODI series 3-0 to the Indians. But Powell, who is the vice-captain of the team, says they are looking to quickly put those defeats behind them.
Yeah, definitely. International cricket is one sport that comes fast at you. So whether you're successful or not successful in your previous series, you have to put that fast behind you. And I think that is exactly what we as a West Indies team trying to do at the moment.
And with the three-match T20 series against the Kiwis being the Windies' last before they announced their squad for the T20 World Cup, Powell says the series will carry added significance.
From the India series, we have a lot of lessons that were taught, a lot of things that we are trying not to do as a team, and a lot of things that we are trying to do as a team. It's good to have a next series where we can lead up to the World Cup, where guys can get practice and we can get team chemistry and whatever you have to get leading up to the World Cup, right? So it's definitely an opportunity for the guys to bounce back from the disappointment of the India series and just to put their best foot forward.
The first of the three-match T20 International Series against New Zealand bowls off at 1:30 p.m. Jamaica time at Sabina Park on Wednesday. And staying on cricket, Jamaica Scorpions are now on the search for a new head coach after Andre Coley tendered his resignation, which they effective August 15. Coley's resignation comes in the aftermath of his appointment as head coach of the West Indies high-performance team in Antigua, as well as the West Indies A team that is currently engaged in a series against Bangladesh A in St. Lucia. Coley was appointed as the Scorpions head coach in 2019. Now, American tennis great Serena Williams has hinted she'll be retiring soon from the sport she has dominated for the majority of her career with 23 singles Grand Slam titles. On Monday, Williams played only her second singles match since she returned to action at Wimbledon in June after a year-long absence from competition, beating Spain's Nuria Perez Diaz to reach the second round of the Toronto Open. But the 40-year-old said after the match that she's evolving away from tennis, suggesting the US Open starting this month could be her swan song. Williams won her last Grand Slam in 2017 and has been chasing an elusive 24th crown that will draw her level with Margaret Court, who holds the record for most majors. She came tantalizingly close to achieving that feat, featuring in 4 major finals since giving birth to her daughter Olympia in 2017. And that's where we leave the courts for now, and I am Jermaine Brown. Ashane, back to you.